In this video, we are going to learn how to use the return statement in Python functions. As we said in the previous videos, a Python function is just a block of code that performs a specific task. When we want to perform the task, we can call that function in our Python programs. The function code will execute and then the program will continue to the next lines of code. Sometimes when we call our functions, we want to get information back from that function like an answer or a result. This is called returning a value from the function. We achieve that by using the return keyword. The return keyword returns a value from a function. Let's create a simple function that will perform a specific task and it will return some information when finished performing the task. Let's create a function that will calculate the square of an input number and it will return the result. Def square parenthesis number colon. Two spaces, result is equal to number asterisk number. Now we have to return the result. It is very easy. We just type the keyword returned and the value we want to return. Return result. That's it. Let's see how to use this function. We type square 5, for example. Let's hit the run button. The function executed, but we didn't see anything at the console. Why is that? The function returned the result, but we didn't use it. We didn't print it or assign it to a variable. Let's print it. Print parenthesis square parenthesis 5. As you can see, the program now prints 25 to the console. We can also save the value a function returns to a variable to use it later. Squared number is equal to square parenthesis 5. Now we can use that variable as we want. Let's print the value it contains. Print squared number. Great, our function works. It calculated the square of the number we entered in the parentheses and returned the result. To experience the power of function, let's create a for loop to calculate the square of all numbers from 0 to 99. For number in range 100, colon. Two spaces. Squared number is equal to square parenthesis number. Print squared number. Or simply, print square number. Let's run it. Cool, huh? The return value of a function can be anything, an int, a float, a string, a list, a dictionary, and so on. So functions can be versatile and useful. So let's practice what we have learned today with an exercise. Write a function called monthName that takes a number as a parameter and returns the number of the corresponding month. Assume that the value of the parameter is between 1 and 12. Then call the function 3 times and print the result on the screen. Please pause the video now and try to solve this exercise on your own. Okay, let's do this. First of all, let's create the function definition. Def monthName parenthesis colon. The function takes the month number as a parameter, so we have to enter it here, number. Now, there are many ways to create a function like this. One of the easiest ways is to create a dictionary to hold the month names. The number of each month will be the key of the dictionary. If you don't know what a dictionary is, don't worry. I have prepared a detailed video about this topic. You can watch it by clicking on the card here. Okay, let's create the dictionary. Month is equal to curly brackets 1 colon January, comma 2 colon February, comma 3 colon March, and so on. When finished, the dictionary looks like this. Now all we have to do is to get the month name from the dictionary. Name is equal to month, brackets, number. And now we have to return that name. Return name. The function is ready. Let's call it a few times with different numbers to test it out. Print month name, parenthesis 1. January, that's correct. Print month name, parenthesis 3. March. Print month name 9. September. Cool. Our function works as expected. We now know how to pass information to functions and how to get information back from a function. We have made a lot of progress. If you have watched all the videos from the beginning of the series, congratulations! You now know enough to develop pretty advanced programs. There are a few more things I want to cover in the next videos. Until then, keep practicing and I'll see you soon.